Hello everyone. So I'm going to show you how to generate a store in 4 minutes. So you can basically take so AliExpress link or a Shopify link or an Amazon link. So let's take for example this product. You paste it here, then you click here. So what it's going to do is going to actually analyze the link. So get the images, get the reviews, get all the variants and the price, of course. On top of that, we also are going to analyze our entire database to get even more reviews and even more images than the link you sent here. So let's build store. Here we're going to analyze the reviews. So we can have hundreds of thousands of reviews. It really helps us to get the best marketing angles. You're going to see that in a few minutes. Let's find let's take English. Now the persona, so let's say for example Sarah, here is going to generate the marketing angle. Let's take this one. Here you can select the images that you want. So let's not take this one, and boom, build a store. So we're going to arrive in the builder. The idea is that it automatically selected a theme for you, and it will automatically generate all the copywriting for your product. So let's wait a little bit. Here you can see that it's already generating. And yeah, so what it did is we actually generated 3 pages. So we generated the home page, review page, and product page. But for now, let's stick to the product page. So here you have, let's take that away. You can change the entire templates of your product and of your shop by clicking here. So if you want maybe a more yellowish color or maybe purple one, here you can see that it changes not only the color but also the style, the fonts, and kind of like the entire design. You can select only the colors, so you can select here, or you can roll the dice here and get some random colors that actually fits. You can also change the fonts. So for example, let's take this one, or you can select the font that you want. Let's take Arial. You can also select the styles, so the buttons, the images in the card. Let's take, for example, brick buttons. I like this one, a little 3D here. You can also select the images, so if you want maybe a more shadow or a little solid, let's save on brick. It's actually cool. It's also, you can change the cards, so you can take this one, boom, and change the cards. So solid, same, so brick, or default. Let's do everything on brick. And you can also change the radius. So for example, if you want to change all the radius of your website, you can change. So you can see that it changes also the image and the cards here. You can also select change the button radius here, right? You can also change the icon family. So if you want maybe more duotone, you can or maybe emoji. But yeah, let's leave this one. So you can change everything in the generated product page, right? So you can change here the size, you can change the color, the boldness, you can change of course the text. So you can also add sections. So for example, let's add a little countdown here, boom, and it will automatically generate a new text and find an image. For the image, you can click here, so you can use stock images, or even better, you can select an image from your database. So here on product, you have all the images that we got from your link and all the other links that we scrapped. So you can take anyone, and you also have what we called the reviews images. So here are the images that we found on reviews, so are really focused on the product, and maybe you have some human hand here. And here, of course, you can upload any images you want. So for every image, you can have a video here. So here you can have this video, or you can just have an image. One cool thing about Dropmagic is that within one click for every section, you can change the entire design of it. So for example, if you would click here, boom, it changes the entire color sets, but always respecting your primary colors, secondary colors, and accent colors. You can of course click here to rewrite the entire section, so maybe make it more sales oriented, and automatically will regenerate everything in your section. Here we go. If you want to update the product hero, so you can click here and here, click on a little plus here. You can add everything you want. So for example, let's add a payment badge. Boom, you just can drop here. Let's remove Apple Pay, and boom. You can change here to see the mobile. You can adjust everything you want here, and it will only affect the mobile. So for example, the size of the text, you want a bit bigger on mobile, it will only affect it on mobile view. If you switch back, you can see it's still the M size. Once you've finished, what you can do is click on publish here, and you can connect your store. You can either create a new store, we have a brand new exclusive deal with Shopify, or you can connect to an existing store. And that's it.